Okay, now what is interfacial tension? It is again defined as force per unit length existing between the two liquid or two immiscible liquids. Okay, so the unit of interfacial tension is again dyne per centimeter. Okay, when two liquids are completely miscible and interface cannot be observed, then we cannot indicate it as interfacial tension. Example, when you mix water with the alcohol, then they mix properly, so we cannot point it out as an interfacial tension. But when we have the mixture of benzene and water, right, so benzene water mix karo, then they form boundary. What they form? Boundary is formed. So benzene water system has interface and it shows interfacial tension, right? So in general, these interfacial tensions are less than the surface tension. Came because adhesive force between two liquid phases at the interface is greater than liquid and phase gas phase exist together. Okay, so see, the interfacial tension of some of the liquids are given: water benzene and water diethyl ether. It is 35 dyne per centimeter and 10 dyne per centimeter. Okay, now what are the factors? Now see, here example is given: benzene કેવું છે? It is semipolar liquid, right? So its interaction with water molecules or polar molecules is stronger compared to the interaction between the non-polar molecules. Okay, પોતે semipolar છે, benzene is semipolar, so its interaction between polar, मतलब water is polar, so it is stronger than the interaction between non-polar. That's why જેટલું વધારે interaction એટલું interfacial tension વધારે. See, water and benzene, it has more interaction, so its interfacial tension is 35. Water and diethyl ether, it has less interaction, so its interfacial tension is 10.7 only. Okay, so what are the factors which affect surface and interfacial tension? So the surface tension is a property of liquid with which differs in magnitude for different liquids. Okay, so kya factors affect करे surface tension ने and interfacial tension ने? तो फर्स्ट इज इंटरनल फैक्टर्स. तो क्या हो इंटरनल फैक्टर्स? तो वाई इंटरनल फैक्टर्स फर्स्ट अफेक्टिंग? बिकॉज द सरफेस टेंशन इज ऑब्जर्व्ड इन लिक्विड्स ड्यू टू इंटरमोलिक्युलर फोर्सेस. તમારા ઇન્ટરમોલિક્યુલર ફોર્सेस હોય એના કારણે જ તમારું સરફેસ ટેન્શન જોવા મળે. ઓકે, સો મેગ્નિટ્યુડ ઓફ this surface tension is also measurement of intermolecular attractive forces. Okay, so for the purpose of comparison, we have seen some liquids, example of liquid and its intermolecular attraction. See, polar molecules છે, right? So polar molecules છે, so it is water. So water is having intermolecular attraction. કેવું હોય water in the water molecules વચ્ચે? So it is strong bonding, hydrogen bonding is there. Okay, so it is strong hydrogen bonding, so it has more surface tension, 72.8. Okay, second, semipolar, it is benzene, it has less interaction, so એનું ઓછું છે કોના કરતાં? strong bonding, hydrogen bonding કરતાં, so it has little bit less than this. Again, non-polar, CCl4, it has very weak forces, London forces, so it again has less. So what is the effect on surface tension? More is the interaction between intermolecular forces, and more is the surface tension. This is called as internal factor. Okay, now second is external factors. Okay, when the substance are added to the liquid, બીજું કોઈ બહારથી કોઈ substance add કરીએ આપણે. Okay, this is called as externally added substance. Okay, these alter the surface and interfacial tension. એને શું કરી નાખે? alter કરી નાખશે. So electrolytes, example, we have added the external substance as a electrolytes. Electrolyte have very little effect, and sometimes it causes slight increase in the surface tension. On the other hand, some substance decrease interfacial tension. For example is emulsifying agent or surfactant active agents. When you add surfactant in oil and water, then it reduce the surface tension અને ધીમે ધીમે શું કરશે, ઓઇલ અને વોટરને મિક્સ કરશે. So what is the effect of external addition of surfactant? So it reduce the surface tension, right? When you add electrolyte, it increase the surface tension, right? So this is called as effect of external factor. Internal factor માં શું આવે? The interaction between molecules. જેટલું વધારે interaction એટલું વધારે surface tension. Polar molecules છે તો વચ્ચે વચ્ચે strong bonding છે, right? So it has more surface tension. Non-polar ને ઓછું interaction, so it has less surface tension. Similarly external ની અંદર electrolyte, surface active agents બે છે external factors માં. Addition of third substance, right? So when you add surfactant active agents, so it decrease surface tension. If you add electrolyte, then it increase the surface tension. Clear? Two factor. Now the third factor, effect of temperature. Now temperature should maintain constant during surface tension measurement. આપણે કેવું રાખવું જોઈએ? Surface tension measurement time the temperature should be very very constant. We cannot fluctuate it. Okay, why? Because as the temperature increases, જેવી તમારો temperature increase થાય, surface tension decrease થશે. કેમ? Because of the enhanced kinetic energy, because molecules starts to move fast. Okay, मतलब kinetic energy શું થઈ ગઈ? Increase થઈ ગઈ. Fine. So kinetic energy increases and there is a cohesive forces, मतलब attractive forces between the molecules weakens. એ weak પડી જશે. Similar molecules વચ્ચેના force શું થઈ જાય? Weak થઈ જાય, right? So at the critical temperature, the surface tension of the molecules becomes zero, right? And it becomes miscible. When surface tension becomes zero, then it becomes miscible, completely miscible, right? So what is critical temperature? It is the temperature where liquid exists as a vapor rather than its liquid state. Okay, so this is about interfacial tension. What is interfacial tension and what are the factors affecting surface tension and interfacial tension, right? So see the previous video, it indicates all about basics of surface tension and where you can observe this phenomena of surface tension and how it acquires this spherical shape, right? The phenomena of surface tension has the impact on the shape of the molecules also. Because of the higher surface tension, it acquires spherical shape, right? So all these things are explained in the previous video, and here we have concluded about introduction to the interfacial tension and how this interaction between molecules, whether it is strong or weak, right? Intermolecular interaction is strong, then it has more interfacial tension. With if the weak interfacial interactions, then it has less interfacial tension, right? That we have studied. Now next we have studied is factors affecting surface and interfacial. It includes three types: internal, external and the temperature. Okay, internal factor માં શું આવે? તો effect of intermolecular force, right? અંદરનું intermolecular force વધારે હોય, જેમ વોટર છે તેમાં અંદરનો ફોર્સ વધારે છે, so it has more surface tension. Semipolarમાં it has less intermolecular forces, right? So it has less surface tension, and in the non-polar then it has less interfacial tension, right? In case of external factor, again it has addition of third substance addition, मतलब electrolyte or surfactant can reduce the interfacial tension and electrolyte can increase करे. Okay, and what is the effect of temperature? So by increasing temperature, surface tension reduce થઈ જાય. And what is the reason for this? As you increase temperature, kinetic energy increases, and kinetic energy શું કરશે? So it weakens the cohesive force between molecules and interfacial tension ઓછું કરશે. Okay, clear here? What are the factors? Then I think you should all clear, right? And see the comment. Surface tension of a liquid is 0 at critical temperature. So it's correct. See, at critical temperature the liquid exists as a vapor. It is not remain in the liquid state. At critical temperature it convert into vapor phase. So there is no interfacial tension. So we can say that at critical temperature the surface tension of the liquid is 0. Okay, clear? So from next video or from next lecture we will see the method for measurement of surface tension and interfacial tension. Okay, bye.